Hey guys, I'm Tim, and this week on the Becoming Bulletproof project, I wanted to show you a fun but useful push-up you can use to build total body strength. It's combining the regular push-up with the elevated roll. And so I'll show you what it looks like, and you may have to, if you're not ready to do the elevated roll yet, you may have to do this in parts, to build up the whole. But anyway, so you get the push-up position. You can lower yourself down like a push-up. Push-up, you've done that before, but anyway, looks like this. You lower yourself down as you push up. You can go into an elevated roll, fully extend. If you can, the higher you can bridge, the better it feels, and just the more, it looks cool. And then you come down into a push-up, up from the push-up, back into an elevated roll. So you're just working from side to side. And you want to control your elevated roll, you want to still exercise control and not just fall into the ground or flop around. And if you want to, you can do your whole push-up before you go into the elevated roll. You don't have to time it. You just want to make sure you control that roll. And then you can start it as you come out of the push-up, or you can just wait. Anyway, that is a fun twist, literally, I guess, is that fun? I'm not sure. It's a fun twist on the push-up or the fun twist on the elevated roll, adding a push-up to it. And again, if you're not ready for that, you can just work your elevated rolls. It's push-up position, right? And it may be that you just work on reaching where you can. Can you reach far enough? You can let that hand up, you can come down. Well, that gets to be a whole other thing, but you can piece it together if you want to. Anyway, that's our Becoming Bulletproof tip this week, adding the twist to the push-up with the elevated roll. All right, guys, thanks for watching. See you next week.